Yeah, Shiva. Yes.
Sir.
So, are you able to see my shirt?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
most probably this should be your, this could be your shirt when attending interviews. That is obviously
Okay.
not. Don't go to any interviews with darker shirts. Okay.
Okay.
So it should not be this also. Basically, it has to be light color, decent color. Okay, that matches your skin tone. Okay, so make
Okay.
sure to purchase few shirts that can be, because you will be going to client's place. Now interviews, everything is done. You will be
Okay.
going to client place, and you
Okay.
have to be presentable. Presentable. There are two words.
Okay.
Presentable has to be there. Presentable. When you speak, you have to be very pleasant. Okay, and when you go, you have to be dynamic and you have to be presentable. Okay. So yeah, even I am not wearing the right shirt, but this is still okay. Okay. So yeah, let us start. And do you have any questions? Yeah, you can just shoot them, and I will try to address them.
Yes, sir. This is
Yeah.
4 questions is there.
Okay.
Okay. Can you please let me know how to find quality content to understand more about Arduino and its users?
Okay.
First question.
So you wanted to
What
understand,
is
content that is there available on websites, which can give you good and quality content of Arduino, correct? So
yes,
yeah, there is a lot of content that is available, Shiva, and let me share with you, or let me share with you a documentation that will help you understand more about Arduino. Please allow me a minute.
Okay.
So if you can just go and type, okay, Arduino documentation. Okay, you can open up your browser and you can type or enter Arduino, and you can say, Arduino documentation. So
Okay.
let me enter that for you.
Okay, sir. Arduino documentation.
Yes.
Arduino DOS.
Yeah.
Docs.
Yeah. docs.arduino.cc. Okay, I have pasted that link in your chat box. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
The best place
Yes, sir.
is this.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is the best place where you can find lot of documentation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you will also find a few tutorials there. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
so many people will be posting the tutorials. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is one good resource, and there are lot many YouTube videos.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that will be very useful. Hold on, I will even give you that. So let me check good one for you, because Arduino as such, the company themselves will provide you. Yeah. I'm just trying to get something good for you. Yeah, there are few people who have done phenomenally good work. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there is this series that you can try. I'm just pasting it here. Okay, there is tons of material. There are so many videos that can help you, and this is one such video tutorial. Only thing is you need to understand the language and the pronunciation. Basically, that is normally people will do American accent, and accent will be from UK, from Australia. There are different pronunciations, so you have to carefully listen to all of them to understand. Yeah, I think this clarifies your query, right? So you wanted some documentation that is already there. There are tutorials actually on Arduino website itself. Okay, so you can check them. Yeah. Let me even paste that part here. Don't go into advanced things. Okay, so understand basics, then quickly you can go to advanced things once you have hands-on. And one more point I would like to convey is these are called small board computers, SBCs, they are called, or single board computers. So all these boards fall into that category. Okay, they are either called small board computers or single board. Okay, so that is feeling sleepy? Shall we disconnect?
No.
Huh? So if you are feeling sleepy, you can go sleep, happily sleep. No problem. We can connect at a later point in time. Startup company is something like 24/7/365. So yeah, please maintain your active participation. Okay, sir. So yeah. So once again, coming back to the subject, so it is either called as a small board computer or a single board computer. Okay, this can become a computer. That's why they are designed like that. Okay, actually Raspberry Pi is much more stable, and it is well built than Arduino. Normally you will be, of course, you will be having hands-on Raspberry Pi also, because all our drones, we make them IoT drones using Raspberry Pi. We normally do not use Arduino there. Arduino we use for projects that are related to undergraduates, graduates, high school going students. We don't use them in bigger projects. There is one more board which is called Node MCU. ESP32, ESP8266, ESP8255. Those are other boards that we use. We will discuss when we get a chance to do that later. Okay. So is your first question answered properly, or do you expect some more inputs from me?
No. That's
okay.
Properly.
Yeah. What else? You said 4 questions, right? So
yes, sir.
What are the other questions?
What are the practical implementation using Arduino in different industry verticals?
Okay. So industry verticals, basically implementations of Arduino are not that high. Okay, because it is not considered, we don't, there are many people who do industrial solutions also using Arduino. But normally EPIT research labs or Smaragdine Technologies or any other associate companies like Indriyan Data Analytics, Cybermotion Services, and maybe Cybernetics Services, Cybermotion Technologies. So there are 5-6 companies that I work with. There are many more companies that I work with. Vector Techniques. Okay, all these companies, then we don't use Arduino in terms of implementing them in industry verticals. Basically, we try to go more towards Raspberry Pi or towards ESP32, 8266, 8255, or we build our own boards. One other platform that will very soon come up is iLabs. Okay, so it will beat all the competition. So we are very much close to that. Yeah, we will show you that board. Okay, So if you wanted to, let us say the simplest of the example could be, switching on a relay. Relay can be connected to another switch. Okay. So if you wanted to turn it on off, okay, as per a schedule, okay, we can do that. We can do that programming. Okay. And if Arduino board can be integrated with IR sensor, there is something called as IR sensor.
IR sensor. Okay.
Correct. So using a combination of IR sensor and a relay, okay, we can switch on and off. So suppose a room is there. So whenever a person is entering the room, then only automatically the switch has to go on. Otherwise, it should not be on. It should go off if that person if there is no movement. Okay. So then the switch should be automatically off. We do not need to, these are you're observing these, right? These are manual switches. So you have to on off. You can automate that. So if an industry needs that kind of simple on off based on IR sensor, maybe we can try that. So those are some areas where we can, is small scale industry kind of stuff. Not to large scale. I would not prefer, though many people are there who would give Arduino. Okay, we don't do that. Okay, yeah. Does that answer your question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the rest?
Please send me any good content that you have with you. I should like to go through the content and get back to you with more questions.
Okay. So regarding Arduino, right? So
Yes,
regarding Arduino, I should be having my instructables channel is there basically. Just hold on for a while, Shiva. I will. I'm not sure if I placed Arduino in that, but let me check and see because my instructables have about it's been long that I worked on those instructables. I'm not sure whether that has Arduino. D1 mini is there, thermoelectric refrigeration, monitoring humidity, node MCU, everything is there, but not the Arduino board is not there. Okay, so yeah, I will try to give you that as well, but just hold on. There is one more channel. I'm not getting that. What is that? Do it yourself, and there is one website which is done by AutoCAD. I don't remember that. 1 minute. AutoCAD. Autodesk is the company's name. Autodesk, and Autodesk. UINO. Yeah, it is Tinkercad. Correct.
Okay. Tinkercad already downloaded.
Yeah. Tinkercad is there. Okay. I guess you know about Tinkercad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will share that content here. Okay. So
one moment. Tinkercad is already downloaded, sir.
You have downloaded that? Very good. Yes, sir, very good. That's a beautiful tool. That's a beautiful simulation tool. See, not everything is required to be physical. Okay. So you can have some virtualized simulated environments. Okay. To take care of your projects. What will happen is basically you will never burn some boards. Okay. Otherwise, you may burn few boards. Okay. So earlier I have done many projects. I will share you one project. Okay. So please hold on. I will show more and tinker this. Can you just check and see if you are able to access the Tinker file that I have shared, Shiva?
Yes, sir. Sir, sorry that page and
I could not
sorry
get you.
page.
Huh?
Sorry that page is missing.
Sorry, that page is missing.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one moment. Huh?
Home page future designed teacher resources.
One moment. Please hold on. I think I have shared it. Shared link. 1 minute. Please hold on.
The Zoom chart I send it.
Shiva,
Chart. I send it Zoom chart.
have you logged into Tinkercad?
Yes, sir, login.
You have logged in to Tinkercad, right?
Log. Yes, sir, login.
Okay. Then let me
Yesterday
just
work
check.
it, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday work it. LED register LED connected.
Oh, okay.
To
You
connect.
have used Tinkercad to work on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good.
Okay, Arduino.
Okay, that's because see, that's the way to go before even
Okay.
burning all the boards. So, yeah. Anyways, I think you're. Can you just open this file because this is publicly available? I'm not sure why the other one is not working. I will just check
Yes,
and
sir.
see.
Okay.
It is working.
Yes, sir. Working.
Okay. Then the other file most probably is
Monitor sunlight for plants. Okay.
the other one. Maybe I have to check the permissions on that and
Okay.
see if there is some permission missing on that file. Otherwise, it should be opening it for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So these, this is what I was talking about. So similarly, there are many things that are available that you can learn, and Tinkercad is one of the best things that you can learn. Okay.
Okay.
Later
Okay.
on, as soon as we complete this session, then what I will try to do is I will try to share you this Tinkercad. Okay.
Okay.
It is a wonderful tool, wonderful, awesome tool, especially for beginners. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is what I wanted to share with you. Yeah, I hope that answers your query, right? So there are other
Okay.
resources also. Some PDF files are there. Um, I will drop you an email with all those PDF files. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other question you have, Shiva?
Yes, sir. One more question.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
How can I connect a LED to an Arduino and check it
Okay. I
functionality?
think you have already done it on Tinkercad.
Okay, sir.
Same, ditto. You have resistors. What is the capacity of the resistor you have used?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah. How many
Sir,
milliamps
it's
or I
one
think
minute.
microamps or milliamps or so do you know how to calculate the resistor value, Shiva?
No, sir. No, no, sir. No.
No?
Hmm.
Okay. Can you tell me what kind of resistor you have used to make the
Oh,
LED glow on Tinkercad?
okay. I said shit, sir, already yesterday.
Okay. Okay. Is it not visible for you?
Visible, sir.
Okay. Anyways, see, I am giving you the link for your
Okay.
resistor. There are a few resistor calculators. 4
Okay,
band
sir.
resistor, 5 band resistor. Okay. This is about a 4 band resistor.
Okay, sir.
4
Okay.
bands means it will have that 4 lines. Okay.
Okay,
5
sir. Okay.
bands means it will have 5 lines.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
5 different color codes. So
Yes, sir.
in this, you see that there are 5 colors, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's what I was referring to. And
Okay.
this is another image I'm sending you. So those are the values of different color codes that are used on the
Yes, sir. Yes,
register.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, this is save it in PNG, sir. Save as type
Okay.
image file dot PNG.
File.png is a image file.
Okay, sir.
Your video is showing to the roof.
Oh, no.
Your screen is
Oh,
getting onto the roof. Yeah.
okay.
So yeah, you browse them. Okay. And then
Okay.
you will have next questions ready. Okay. I think this should be sufficient to address all your 4 questions. Are we done with the 4 questions, or you
4
still have
questions
any more
done, sir.
questions? Yeah, okay.
No, sir.
So
1 minute, sir.
documentation, as I conveyed to you earlier, I will share that with you via email. There are few PDF
Okay, sir.
files. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And until that time, I think you have enough of content with you right now that you
Yes,
can
sir.
go through. Okay.
Okay, okay,
And
sir. Yeah.
anyways, startup activities are also there. Get involved. Uh, when do Varun, Surya, Prabhu would like you to come to office? They will come and take you there.
Yes. Oh, no, no. Prashant, sir.
I could not get you. Could you come again?
Prashant, sir.
Prashant is there with you. Prashant
Yes,
is
sir.
an AutoCAD professional.
Okay, okay.
He does 3D designs. So learn from him.
Surya, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay, okay. Surya, sir, Varun, sir is going.
Surya will be busy with Android applications. He is an expert
Okay,
in that. Prabhu on electronics and electrical circuits designs, especially
okay,
electronics. Prabhu is a master in that.
okay,
Varun does everything and anything. He is like me. Okay, he is kind of I would not say, I would not comment that on Varun, but I am kind of a jack of all, master of none kind of a guy. Okay.
okay, okay,
So yeah, so don't become like me. Okay, you have to become like Varun or Surya or Prabhu or even Prashant. I am not a better person to compare with them. Okay.
okay, okay,
So yeah, we are trying to build up something. And I told you on the other day, when you are at my place, I told you that there is a 90.6 crore business in our hand. If we can get
yes,
that, if we can convince them, so you are in a position where you have to convince people at a very basic level, right? So
okay,
if you go and meet customers, then you will understand what they wanted to talk to you. Okay.
okay,
So when you get into a crore plus rupees business, then the
okay,
scenario is entirely different. It is impossible for us to convince them. But slowly we have to cut down everything to bits and pieces and then start convincing him or her.
okay,
Okay, because those guys are, I came to understand that the industry that we are targeting is about 450 billion B. Okay,
okay,
not million, billion
billion.
dollars. 450 to 500, anywhere between 450 to 500 billion dollars. So the
Okay,
opportunity that we are looking at is 10 million euros. So that is the kind of
okay,
opportunity which is very, very small, which is kind
okay,
of negligible before 450 billion. And don't share this with Varun, Surya, Prabhu, okay? Because I would like to surprise them if I get a contract, after I get a
okay,
contract on my hand, okay? Okay,
okay,
then take care. We will catch up later in the next session,
okay,
okay?
okay,
So if you
okay,
are to go to office, you can as well go work with them. We will catch up in the evening hours whenever you are free. Ping me whenever you are free,
okay,
okay?
okay, sir. Okay.
All your doubts got clarified, or are there any questions?
Clarified, sir. అంటే in this laptop you are send this photos. So I save it to.
Okay.
I save it to files.
Okay.
Not understand.
Okay. Okay. You are unable to understand where those files are getting saved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us take one example. Let me send you a file. Okay. We will check
Yes, sir.
where, I will show you where it gets saved. Okay. Is that okay?
Sir, any desk? Okay, okay, sir.
No, no, not
Any desk
required.
give
Any
me,
desk
sir.
is not required. I'll show you how to do it. Let me. So I'll just, send one file. So did you receive that file?
Yes, sir. Receive, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Help on
So
Arduino text.
yeah, you wanted to see where it is getting saved, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Text file.
1 minute. Please hold on. Yeah, there's a text file, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Text.
now I will send you another screenshot. Okay. So that's our chat, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And towards the right side of the chart of the screenshot that I have shared,
Yes.
okay,
Yes,
there is some option. Did you read that
yes,
option?
sir. Copy,
There is
delete,
copy,
open file,
delete, open file, open file
open
location.
file location. Yes, sir.
So you have to do the same thing there. Just, towards the right side, rightmost side of the file name, you have 3 dots.
Yes, sir.
Click on that, you will find file, delete, open file location.
Oh, yes, sir.
Open file location. Select
Open
open
file
file.
only. Sir, open file only, sir.
Open file only is there.
Oh, yes, sir.
Open file location is not there for you.
Oh, not that, sorry.
Okay, open file.
Sir, help on Arduino text you send, sir. That's only
Did
option
you
3
open
dot.
the file or not?
Yes, sir. Open, sir.
Open. Did it open in the notepad? Can you share that screenshot with me? Okay, you have sent me a PNG file, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on the top, you have that LO, right?
Yes, sir.
LO, then 3 dots, then greater than, then note, 3 dots, like that, correct?
Yes,
In the
sir.
address bar.
Yes, sir.
Select that. Go and select that.
Yes, sir. Selected.
So are you able to see the complete path now?
Yes, sir. Local nodes to Arduino.
Okay. Now got it. Can you send
Yes,
me
sir.
that screenshot along with the path? Can you just copy the path and paste it here? Your screen somehow is only showing your head. Your body is not visible. Shiva, you have to make sure that, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Sir, I send it.
You sent it? Okay.
Yes.
So that is where your files are located.
Yes, sir.
Got it? It's
Files
easy.
are saved.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
All the files will be saved there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I think we know this directory, right?
Yes.
We know users, CIVAV, app data, and then local. Correct?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So that's the location. Earlier we used to do programs, and then Python 3.
Yes, sir.
We used to go still deeper for
Okay.
Python files.
Python.
It
Okay.
is much available, very much available in the parent directories itself. It has not gone to program and then Python, nothing. It has gone to a
Okay.
level, I think it's a third level subdirectory,
Okay.
fourth level path. That means users is
Okay.
first directory, CIVAB is another directory, app data, and then local.
Okay.
So normally
Okay,
app data will not be visible when you go to your browser. So you have to type
Okay.
app data after
App data
users
lock.
Sivavi. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Any more doubts? Any more questions?
No, sir.
This doubt also
No,
got
sir.
clarified.
Yes, sir.
Please remember that the path, absolute path, has to be remembered. During the mid
Okay.
of the night also, I wake you up and say, Shiva, what is the path for the files that are getting saved from Zoom? What is the
Okay.
path for Python files? All that have
Okay,
to be
sir.
remembered. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to make a notes where all the points that you have to remember have to be on one page. Every day you
Okay, sir.
go through that one page so that
Okay.
image gets stored in your mind.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So can we end this session? Is that okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay then. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye.